Holy smokes, the biggest AirPods leak just happened and some Apple employee just accidentally left a video file confirming the new camera AirPods, and this was discovered by Aaron P16 on Twitter, who looked within the release candidate version of macOS 26.7, and he saw an actual unfinished Apple marketing video that looks like it was unintentionally left inside of one of these releases by a clumsy Apple employee. And the even crazier thing is that a bunch of other unreleased Apple products were confirmed within the code leak, which I'll cover in my next video. So subscribe right now so you don't miss out. But for this video, I want to go through 10 total AirPods leaks that all come together like puzzle pieces to officially confirm at least 3 new AirPods models coming next month. For the first leak, it is this AirPods video by Apple showing a guy looking at a book and telling Siri to save it for later, which proves that the new AirPods actually have real cameras that can see and not some simple proximity sensors for gestures or some of the rumors that we had before. Now, built-in cameras doesn't necessarily mean that you could actually take photos and videos with them, since Mark Gurman said that the better AirPods B798 model with accessible cameras has been delayed until next year, with the more simple B790 version coming this year. And if you're wondering why Apple put cameras into AirPods, the main point is to feed Siri with information, but only when you ask it to, and it can be extremely useful for doing things like, let's say, looking at an invitation card and asking Siri to add it to your calendar, and it does it instantly. It's been working incredibly well with the new Siri AI camera feature in iOS 27 beta. But one thing is for sure, camera AirPods with Siri AI built in will instantly kill any and every other AI wearable device on the market, because millions of people already wear AirPods every day, and this is also going to be a stepping stone towards Apple's AI camera glasses, which are rumored to launch next year. Now, for AirPods leak number 2, Aaron P16 also found code pointing to an AirPods Pro 4 with the code that perfectly follows up on the AirPods Pro 3 model, which is a bit confusing since it doesn't make sense for Apple to release both a new pair of AirPods Pro 4 and a camera-equipped AirPods Ultra at the same time. So it makes me think that there is not going to be an AirPods Ultra branded product, and both codes are actually pointing to the same device, the new AirPods Pro 4. So either we have 2 AirPods Pro 4 models, one with IR cameras and one without, or it's just the AirPods Pro 4s and every single pair comes with the cameras, but to me that sounds a little bit risky. Now, for AirPods leak number 3, this is a quick little side discovery before I get back into analyzing close-up of Apple's leaked AirPods video, but Aaron P16 also discovered code for 2 new versions of AirPods 5, both with and without active noise cancellation, which we were already expecting this year since it's been 2 years since the AirPods 4 were released. But don't expect these to come with IR cameras or anything else. These will just be updated with, let's say, new chips and small updates. Now, for number 4, let's get into analyzing that AirPods video. Now, if you look closely, at first I thought that the shape was somewhat redesigned, but then I recreated the same scenario and same angle in the office, and it looks pretty much the same, except for somebody noticed this little bump right here under the ear, which, who knows, maybe that is something, maybe that's not, maybe that's where the camera is. It's hard to tell, but one for sure difference is that the stem does look a lot bulkier and thicker, so that could be for extra battery size or if the camera is actually in the stem. Now, before I move on, summer is here and there's no better time to get awesome drone shots, and by far the easiest drone to fly for beginners is the A1 from our sponsor Antigravity. This drone is incubated by Insta360, which means you get great camera tech built in, like 8K quality and easy to use editing software, and even AI edits so you can just fly the drone around and it'll edit for you. On top of that, it weighs 249 grams with a standard battery, so you don't need a license to operate the drone. The A1 comes with fully immersive goggles that when you put on, it feels like you're literally flying in the sky. They also have a really fun cockpit feature, which allows you to fly as a dragon or a cyberpunk plane, which makes it a blast. And there's so much more that the Antigravity A1 drone can do, and you can check them out and get up to 25% off at antigravity.tech with an incredible 15-day return and exchange policy in the US for basically any reason, so use the links down below. Now for number 5, Aaron P16 also found more code in macOS that points to hair detection for the new camera AirPods, which says, to get the most accurate information about things in your environment, make sure AirPods are not covered. So once again, this proves that it's actually cameras that can see your environment and they are feeding information to Siri. Now for number 6, this actually makes me feel a lot better. He says there is a new secure pairing mode that requires you to, quote, please put your AirPods in case to continue secure pairing. So this is likely Apple's new security and privacy feature to guarantee even further encryption so that the connection between your iPhone and the AirPods cannot be compromised. And this is very, very important because people are currently protesting against flock cameras and Meta camera glasses. So Apple needs a way to ease the tension, even if you don't actually have the ability to take photos and videos with these B790 AirPods Pro 4. Now for number 7, this is actually a prediction by Joe Rosignol at MacRumors. He predicts that Apple is not going to use the word camera for the AirPods with visual intelligence, and instead it is referred to as IR sensor or something similar, which would accurately reflect the lack of photo/video capabilities and align with Apple's privacy marketing. This makes a whole lot of sense to me because even if they actually are cameras, using the term IR sensor wouldn't incite the same negative reactions as using the word cameras. Now for leak number 8, this idea actually matches the very first leak from Ming-Chi Kuo from over 2 years ago in June of 2024 when he said that Apple would begin mass production of AirPods with IR camera sensors in 2026. And then later in May of 2025, he mentioned again that AirPods Pro with infrared cameras are launching in 2026, and it looks like he was completely spot on with that leak, so everything is coming together. Now for leak number 9, Kasutami on X believes that the other more capable version of the AirPods B798 that was delayed according to Mark Gurman, he believes it's actually canceled and that this is the only version that is coming. And this actually makes sense because if the AI camera glasses are launching next year, according to Mark Gurman, it doesn't really make sense to launch another set of AirPods with actually usable cameras because that product would clash with the glasses, and Apple wants everyone to buy the glasses since everybody already wears AirPods, so they need the glasses product line to go viral, so that's why those other AirPods could be fully canceled. And finally, for number 10, Kasutami claimed that the next AirPods with IR cameras that can see around you will be available at the same $249 price, which is why I think they'll just be called the AirPods Pro 4 because the AirPods Ultra, they deserve a higher price, but these ones he believes are the same. So because of that, a lot of people are gonna upgrade if it's more capability for the same price. Now, that post was back in February before Apple's price hikes, but AirPods do not have RAM, so they aren't impacted by the memory crisis. So the new AirPods Pro 4 with cameras could very well launch at $249. And if you still have any doubts about new AirPods launching next month at Apple's September event, here is a bonus exclusive piece of information. Remember in my previous video when I told you that the new AirPods were 100% coming this September? Well, the main reason was that we already booked a sponsored ad integration for a new set of AirPods next month. And oftentimes, accessory makers know what is coming before the leaks actually happen. I mean, they have insider information. So these are coming next month for sure. So with that said, let me know what you think about AirPods with IR sensors or cameras down in the comments, and subscribe above for my next video covering every new product leaked in the macOS 26.7 RC beta code. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.